how to unsend an email in Outlook. I want to show you a neat setting first. Click on the gear icon in the top right, then select Mail, choose Compose, and right here, if you scroll down, you will see Undo Send. So here you can set this to however many seconds you want, usually 5 to 10 seconds. Click on Save here, and basically what that's gonna do, once you send an email, you will have a grace period of 5 to 10 seconds to unsend it. Now, what if you have already sent the email? Then you want to find it here in Sent Items. Then you will double click on the message. Oops. So you want to double click on the message here. And then you want to click the 3 dots and then Advanced Actions. And if that user is using Outlook as well, then you will get an option here, Recall Email. Once you select Recall, that's going to take back the email and it's going to delete them from their mailbox as well. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.